A pleasant day everyone! Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Mentimeter for interactive and engaging learning in your class in different types of subjects. Today, we'll learn how to create your first Mentimeter account and how to use different types of features in Mentimeter, like for example, the word cloud, open-ended, skills, and many more. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is visit the mentimeter.com and press the enter. As you can see here, you need to choose it's either you log in or sign up. But if you have already an account, you need to press the login. But if you want to create your account, you need to sign up to creating a new one. So since I already have an account, I need to click login. In logging in, you need to log in by the use of your Google account, Microsoft Word account, or it's either your Facebook account. But since I already have my account, and I need to type here my work email, which is my email account, and then type my password and click the login. After logging in, the Mentimeter dashboard shows you the home, my presentations, share with me, the workspace presentations, the shared templates, and the popular features. But before creating your first Mentimeter presentations, what actually the Mentimeter all about? Mentimeter is a tool that allows you to create interactive presentations where your students can participate in real time, engaging with polls, quizzes, and discussions. It is very perfect for making your lessons more engaging and collaborative. And now let's get started in creating our Mentimeter presentations or our Mentimeter quizzes. In creating your Mentimeter presentations, you need to click the new Menti. After clicking the new Menti, choose you here the untitled presentations. In creating your presentations, you can choose either import slides or it state here upload a PowerPoint keynotes or the PDF file to a Mentimeter. Use a template that you can browse our templates and find the perfect one for you, or you can start from scratch or gain sight with your word clouds, or you can create your own presentations or you can design your own presentations. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm gonna create my own presentations or my own slide. I'm designing my own. So I'm gonna press start from scratch, and then here you can enter you can put to your presentations or your slide interactive questions like the multiple choice, open-ended, the ranking, guess the number, 2x2 grid, pin an image, the word cloud, skills, Q&A, 100 points, quick form, or you can also have your quiz competitions that your participants then compete for points in a multiple choice quiz. Also, you can challenge your participants to guess the correct answer and get points. You can also have your content slides, the text, the paragraph, image, the big, the number, the heading, the bullets, the video, quote, and instructions. You can also integrate your presentations the Google Slides or the PowerPoint presentations. But now I'm gonna create first the basic one, which is the word cloud presentations or the word cloud questioning. So here I'm gonna click the word cloud. Creating your word cloud quiz, you need to put the possible questions, and also you can edit the word cloud colors. You can add more. You can also edit the possible number of responses. The show responses live, apply to all. You can turn it off to hidden the responses, and you can turn it on to see the responses. So here, you're gonna type here the possible questions that you want. Like for example, I'm gonna ask my participants or my audience. And here you can also edit the text color. You can want it to bold. And you can also add additional details. And here you can also edit the theme, the templates of the presentations. And next, let's add another slide. which is the multiple choice questions or quiz. Here, in multiple choice, it allows you to have the options, different types of options to your students or to your participants. And here, you also type the possible questions that you want to your participants. Like for example, so I'm gonna edit the possible options. And here, you can also edit the colors of your options, customize the font, and that's all. You can also choose correct answers, select multiple options, show responses, the segmentations, and you can also edit the visualization type, which either it will be the bars, it should be donuts style, pie style, or either the dots. You can also show response as percentage. You can on it. And here, this is our second slide of our presentation, which is the multiple choice. And let's add another slide, which is the Q&A. So here, it dedicates your participants to give the students a chance to ask questions during the lessons. So it shows how to add the Q&A slides to have ask them, how do you think cloud computing? Participants will have the possible answer here or on slides. The audience can see others' questions or the moderations. So here, this is the Q&A. This is the Q&A questioning or the quiz. So that's the 3 slides or the 3 quiz that I would like. So here you can also edit the possible title to your presentations or to your quiz. So I'm gonna put here ICT quiz, then entitle it ICT. So this is my ICT quiz presentations. You can also have here sequenced presentations. The participants go to the Mentimeter at their own space, the language differences, accessibility, and as you can see here, it have here the present to view your presentations. But before that, let's edit the themes to our presentations. So you can choose here the possible themes for your presentations. It's either this one, or you can also have your my themes, but you need to pay for it. So let's have here for this one is for free. Let's have just choose these blue waves because it's very elegant and very simple. So this is my presentation. So if you want to preview your presentations, you can tap here the preview to see the presenter screen and the audience screen. The presenter screen that the audience would possibly answer your or your participants possibly answer your questions or your quiz. So here you need to click here, and this one it allows you to turn on or off your test responses. You're going to turn it on. Your possible answer here will pop up here, or your audience answers will pop up here. So let's have here, this one will be the presenter screen, and you can see here this is our 3 type of slides in our presentations. This is our ICT quiz, and since we already have our presentations or our slides and in different types of features, if you want to add more slide, you can click the new slide again and then put your types of features you want to upload to your presentations. If you want to share these presentations to your participants or your audience or in your class, you need to click this share, and then here you can enable the participations. So you can also copy the participations link to be sent in your GC or what social media they use to possible communicate with your students in conducting this quiz or in your class. So you can also use the QR code, and you can also use the code which expires in 2 days. And that's how you share your presentations to your participants. You have present this one. If you want to see your presentations, just click present. And here, it shows your presentations. Let's have the next slide. And then the next slide. So in here, your participants or your audience can visit the menti.com and then use this code to answer your quiz or your presentations. That's it. So that's all on how to create and have your quiz using the Mentimeter. See the possible results if your participants or if your class already answered your quiz or your presentations. You can have here or you can see here the results. As you can see here, it have here the response summary, but it no result yet because we don't actually have the participants. And also you can have here the track the response rate for your questions, or you have your host a quiz and see who have the most points. You can also get asked questions during a Mentimeter Q&A. So you can use upgrade your expert result into Excel. So and you can also use another tools or run another tools to analyze your result. That's all on how to create your Mentimeter account and how to create your Mentimeter presentations to have an interactive and collaborative class or quiz in your class to have an engaging and interactive lesson. Mentimeter is versatile. So that's all, and now you're ready to create your own interactive lesson with the use of Mentimeter. Mentimeter is an excellent tool for increasing students' participations, making your lessons more engaging, have fun experimenting with different questions type, and keep your lesson interactive. Thank you for watching.